Hello everyone, I hope you're ready, because today we are going to be talking about the top 5 paint roller kits. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. The first product we are going to cover is the Foam Pro 4 Fine Finish. Includes 1 paint tray, 6x13x2 deep, 1 mini roller handle, and a 10-pack of Foam Pro Fine Finisher high-density foam rollers. For INCH high-density foam rollers, Foam Pro foam roller covers are made with high-density foam that provides excellent paint pickup, paint release, paint coverage, and a spray-like finish. The Foam Pro Fine Finisher Mini Paint Roller gets the job done quickly with a fine, completely lint-free finish. They are ideal for smooth semi-smooth surfaces including doors, cabinets, trim, and molding home painting projects. Home Paint Tray. This solvent-proof durable painting tray is designed to make your home painting experience quick and convenient. Forrest from USA gave this product 5 stars and said, "All I needed for a small job." For our next item, let's take a look at the Mr. Roy Paint Roller. Microfiber paint roller covers. The 9-inch roller covers can smooth out large areas of the wall, and the 4-inch roller help you complete some small areas and details of furniture. Roller sleeves are washable and reusable, enough to complete a large or small painting project. Paint tray and plastic sheeting. Hard paint tray with 2 replaceable paint tray liners are washable and reusable. Multiple trays can be divided into different colors of paint. More convenient and quick completion of painting projects. Plastic sheeting to help you cover the furniture from the paint and dust. Paintbrush and other tools. The 2-inch inclined peak paint brush can modify some edges, perfect those corners that can't be brushed by the roller brush, and make the entire wall or furniture surface more flat. Can opener and stirring stick to help you easily open the paint can and mix the paint. Different sizes of plastic putty knives can be used in different scenarios. Next up we have the small paint roller brush. Mini rollers for painting made of high-quality special fibers, with high efficiency of paint absorption, can make the paint coating effect even and delicate. Excellent solvent resistance, no dead-end edge design. Painting the corners of the wall to save time and effort, easy to clean and reuse after use. Small paint roller with tray. The thickened paint tray provides reliable protection for your DIY paint ideas. The built-in raised prismatic rolling area provides enough friction to help the roller absorb paint better, and the special design of the tail makes it easier to pour out the waste. Wide range of applications. This small roller paint brush is ideal for use in small spaces. Diane from Canada gave this product 5 stars and said, "Easy to use in small areas." Our next product comes highly recommended, the ROLLNGDOG Paint Roller Kit. 10 PC Paint Tray KIT. Paint roller set include 9-inch roller frame with 2 covers, 4-inch mini roller frame with 4 covers, and an extension pole that can connect to both roller handles. Full wall coverage. Paint along edges and outlets with the 4-inch mini rollers to perfectly match the application of the 9-inch wall paint roller for matching smooth application over the entirety of the wall. Jerry from England gave this product 5 stars and said, "Good quality rollers. Sturdy plastic tray. The extra extension is nice to have for upper corners. Screwed together easy." Carrie from the United States gave this product 5 stars and said, "Set comes with almost everything you need. If it had a standard brush this would be perfect. Brushes roll on pretty smooth." To round out the video, our final product is the paint rollers. A 9-inch paint. The 9-inch roller frame is a high-quality, carefully crafted quick-release design, equipped with 2 extension rods. With a 3-foot pole, you no longer need a ladder to easily handle painting projects at everyday heights. Additionally, the 4-inch roller frame is perfect for operating in tight angles, allowing you to efficiently complete your painting projects. Large paint tray 12-inch large capacity paint tray, with a wider space for more freedom and smoother operation. The densely lined area allows for easy removal of excess paint from the brush. The slotted corners make it convenient to pour out the paint without dripping, and also provide a safe place to put the paint roller frame. Jerry from USA gave this product 5 stars and said, "It is so much better than I thought it would be, and I am very impressed with the quality of the products and the number of items included in this bundle." Thank you for taking the time to watch our video on the top 5 paint roller kits. We hope it was helpful. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.